My name is Julie Gates. I'm from Copenhagen, where I have a small company called Storyfield that does user research, and I use digital storytelling for that. And I've really enjoyed the festival, and what I like the most, or what I'm taking away from here, is all the different ways of using digital storytelling that's breaking a little bit out of the traditional way. People are rethinking the way they're using digital storytelling. I was very inspired by Storyworks that does some really nice films and the way they're using it. And also Peep Hardy that are using it for patient stories in all kinds of ways. With people that can't even use their hands to control a mouse, but she still manages to pull stories out of them. That's very inspiring. And also the guys I just heard that are using new media to figure out new ways of creating stories and new creative ways of putting together images and sound.